Internet is full of leaks and rumors related to Google Pixel 9a. All of this makes a lot of confusion. But don't worry, because in this video मैं आपके सभी confusions दूर कर दूंगा. So don't skip any part and subscribe to Gadgets 360 for more such informative content. I am your host हर्षित अरोड़ा. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. So Google Pixel 9a design wise Google Pixel 8a से काफी different हो सकता है. It is expected to have a more sharp edged and boxy design this time. If you remember the Google Pixel 8a तो उसमें आपको rounded edge corners मिली थी and there is a camera bump as well. But this time it is expected that there will be no camera bump. The new Google Pixel 9a is expected to have flat rear camera which is seamless with the back panel. Rumors are also saying that this time the display will be slightly bigger. It is expected to have a 6.3-inch OLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Last time आपको 6.1 इंच की डिस्प्ले मिली थी. Now moving on to performance, Google Pixel 9a is expected to have Tensor G4 chipset, which is an upgraded chipset from the Tensor G3. The same chipset means Tensor G4 is used with Google Pixel 9 as well. The Google Pixel 9a is expected to come up with 8GB RAM and 128 and 256GB internal storage option. The device is expected to come up with Android 15 OS and ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि इसके साथ में आपको 7 years के OS upgrades भी मिलेंगे. Let's see. The Google Pixel 9a is expected to have a dual rear camera setup. The camera is expected to be 48 megapixel primary lens along with 13 megapixel ultra wide sensor. अगर leaks को सही माने तो ये एक तरह का downgrade हुआ because last year with Google Pixel 8a we saw a 64 megapixel primary lens and इस बार आपको 48 megapixel का rumors में है कि primary lens मिल सकता है. Let's see क्या होता है. Talking of selfie, the Google Pixel 9a is expected to come up with the 13 megapixel selfie shooter similar to the last year's Pixel 8a. अब the biggest change in the camera is the camera module. इस बार the camera module is seamless with the back panel. Leaks के हिसाब से अगर ऐसा आता है तो डिजाइन तो सुपर्ब होगा. The Google Pixel 9a is expected to have 5100 mAh battery with 23 watt wired charging support and 7.5 watt wireless charging support. And also rumors के हिसाब से you will see IP68 rating with this device as well. Moving on, if we talk about the launch date, then it is expected that the phone will launch soon in the month of March. But अगर specific date की हम बात करें तो rumors का ये कहना है कि 19 मार्च की डेट को ये लॉन्च हो सकता है. एंड अगर प्राइस की बात करें तो इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड दैट द बेस वेरिएंट में स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 42,000 रुपीज. लेकिन अभी ये कंफर्म नहीं है, बट हाँ इसके आसपास प्राइस आएगा ये एक्सपेक्टेड है. So these are the leaks and rumors related to Google Pixel 9a. What do you think about this phone and are you waiting for this phone or not? Do let me know this in the comment section. Till then, subscribe to Gadgets 360 for more such informative content. I'm your host Harshit Arora signing off. I'll see you in the next one.